All right, at the Middle Fork Trailhead today, gonna go hike the Pratt River Connector Trail. Let's go. I think this hike would be great on a gorgeous sunny day, but rainy day, it's just, I feel like it's extra special. And just, yeah, it just feels so much more quiet and still, and just so peaceful listening to the rain. You could really hear the Middle Fork River as you're doing this hike. It is going today. I think we found something here. Who's gonna adventure in? I was just going for it. I think this is where you could have a cake party. Or meet some critters. Sad verdict, there wasn't anything in there. So there's a little washout here, but there's some cairns to follow, and it looks like at the very end there someone has tagged it as well. Of course, we have our GPS with us as well, so we recommend that instead of relying on people placing cairns. After the washout, it does get pretty overgrown, so another perk of it being a rainy day and wearing your rain gear already, not getting soaked through with all this brush. This is a cool section here with all this moss. Almost ready for salmon berries. I think that one is ready. Oh yeah, ready to go. Yum. Reached the official end. Well, official end to us, according to the GPS, of the Pratt River Connector Trail. Really beautiful, beautiful green and lush. So I'm gonna enjoy the hike out and just enjoy more of this green, beautiful Pacific Northwest.